Good equipment deals. Got a Bobcat 331 excavator. Good tracks. Zero blow-by Kubota diesel. Runs smooth and clean. Body's pretty straight on it. Tracks are straight. Good size push blade. Plumb for plumb to run a thumb or a tool. Has the plates on it. Nice size bucket. 17-inch bucket. Plate is still on there. Showing 129.2 hours, but that's not accurate. There's a code it's pulling. Besides that, really in good shape. Everything else runs well. Now I'll give you a quick little operations video here.
You want a picture of the bushings?
Yeah, definitely. So it needs new bushings up here in the bucket. As you can see, we've got new bushings right here in the bag. Brand new from Bobcat that will be installed. That'll solve the slack issue on the bucket here. On that J style wedge for the bucket. That'll solve that little issue. But besides that, everything else is very tight, really clean, no leaks of any sort. It really just needs to be put to work after those bushings are changed. If you're interested in this unit, please give us a call. It's located here in Lufkin, Texas, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS. Thank you.